That's right, YNAB just got a fresh lick of paint. It's punchy, it's vibrant, it says I've got emojis in all my categories, and this year's wish farm is yielding a bumper crop. Look at that icon. Is it blue? Is it purple? Yes, it's Blurple. Now, is any of this gonna change how you actually use YNAB? No. YNAB is the same experience you know and love, now in Blurple. And you might feel weird about that because it's not the YNAB you paid off your credit card with or bought your puppy with. I get it. I paid for my wedding in YNAB Blue. YNAB Blue is associated with all these happy memories and accomplishments. But this new website is pretty slick. Our design team has been working tirelessly to make a website that is as friendly as ever and even more welcoming to new YNABers. We're not looking to become the most futuristic Silicon Valley looking personal finance company, because that's not who we are. We're a company that just wants to help people love the way they spend, stop fighting about money, and sleep better at night. And if you take a stroll through the new website, I think you'll see that in spades. Yeah, it's different, but honestly, so is this. YNAB started here, and we've come a long way. This won't be the last time we make tweaks. That's just part of growing, learning, and adapting. But whether we're blue, Blurple, or black olive, we're still the same YNAB. So thank you, YNAB Blue, for helping me to afford my special day. And I'll be paying for my 10-year anniversary in Blurple. What will you do in Blurple?